Hi, welcome to Super Crafty Gal. We're doing another unboxing video. This one for some dried flowers for resin making, UV resin and the two-part epoxy resins. The name of this product is, I'm not even going to attempt to pronounce this, Teoyall. It's 24 colors, dried flowers, and it's advertised for nail art. As you can see, it came two little 12 packs, plastic cases, in clear cellophane. It came inside of a soft bubble wrap pack from Amazon. Measures about 5 inches long by about 2 inches across. Easy to open packaging. And these flowers were absolutely gorgeous in color. And it's a wide variety of color. Strong, really strong color. I thought they were quite beautiful taking them out of the packaging. And as you can see, they've got like a little tab on them, like almost like a pill case, for snapping them open and shut. It is quite easy to do. Actually, I think they're a little bit easier than my actual pill case to open. Now, they are very fragile. I really should have gotten my tweezers for this. And as you can see, I'm getting them out with my finger. But absolutely gorgeous colors. And purple. And you see there's different types of flowers. I only showed a couple. But I didn't want to mess them up too bad before using them in the resin, because some petals would fall off as I handled them. The baby's breath, handling them each time I moved one around, one of the little flowers would fall off. But they could easily be taken apart if you wanted them separate in the resin. And there you go. That is it. I hope you enjoyed this video. Please watch out for more of our resin supply videos, unboxing videos. Have a great day.